Hello everyone, welcome to Mama's Nook. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn a black and white image into colored layers using the contour function in Design Space. I will be adding a design and or a quote to these adorable little ceramic moons. I got these at Dollar Tree. Now I confess that I've had these moons for a long time and they're no longer available. But Dollar Tree changes their stuff all the time, so keep an eye out. They may come back. Before I begin, I ask that you please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be alerted of new videos. Now just give me a moment and I'll adjust the camera angle and I'll get started. So here we are in Design Space. These are all of the images that I'm going to use for this project. Now these colored ones are just photos of the moon that I put in for size, and the moon is 4 inches, so I'm going to make it 4 inches high. This just helps me with placement and color. Okay, we'll just move those over here for the time being. Okay, so this is just a black and white picture, and if I was to cut this, it would cut exactly what you see here. I want to add some color to it. So what you do, duplicate the design, and go down here to the right and hit contour. Now I'm going to make the base of the baby the main color. So I'm going to hide everything. And now it will just do one solid image. And I'm going to change the color. Center it. And send that to the back. Okay, now I'm going to duplicate the baby again. Contour again. And this time I'm going to say hide all contours. And I'm going to select the diaper. Now you have to, it won't delete absolutely everything. There always will be one thing selected. So once you've selected what you want, you have to hide that one that they left in there as well. And I'm going to change that to blue. And do the baby one more time. Contour, hide all contours, and select the cloud pieces. And don't forget to take away that one. And change that to white. And now it is a full color design. That's actually the girl, so I'm going to change that to pink. And grab the little bow here and duplicate that. Contour, hide all contours, and you have a solid piece. Change the color. Put this over here. Bring it to the front, select them both, and center. And then just group that so that when you move it, both pieces move. And I'm just going to put a little bow on her head. So now for the boy, Same thing, we're going to duplicate, we're going to contour, we're going to hide all contours. Whoops. Change the color. Bring that to the front. Okay, duplicate the baby again. Just have to make sure I get the right layer here. And duplicate it. Contour. Hide all contours. The diaper. Change it to blue. And one more time. Duplicate, contour, hide all contours, and select the cloud pieces. And change to white. And the little bear, duplicate, contour, hide all contours, change the color, bring this to the front, and center. Okay, and duplicate the bear again. Contour, select the diaper, change the color, and the bear one more time, duplicate, contour, hide all contours, and select the cloud. And now those are a full color design that you can layer. So enlarge that a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to group that. And you don't have to worry about having these exact on this screen. As long as you know that it's going to line up after you cut it. But I just want to show you. And I chose the baby color as the base just because I didn't want to have too many itty bitty little pieces that I had to place. Okay. Those are off a little bit on here, but they won't be in the final. Okay, so now we're going to bring our moons in so that we can place this stuff. To make sure that it is what it is it is what we want it to be. My goodness, I'm tongue-tied. Select all of these and just align them at the bottom. Okay, so we're going to put our little boy here. And our little sweet dreams. We'll just stick in here. Bring it to the front. And the baby girl. And the teddy bear. And this one, without a character, it just says dream big. So they will look something like this. So I think the size and placement looks good. So now we're ready to cut. So let's hide these because we're not going to cut those. And because they're all so small, I'm going to do it in one pass. So we need to change everything to black. So ungroup, and this is going to look really weird because you won't be able to see anything but black. Okay, so now it just looks like we have black blobs. But what we do, we're going to hit Make It, and we are going to situate them on the mat in color order. Okay, so everything that's going to be black, I'm just going to move over here. These are going to be white, group them. Okay, so these two are the babies. So we'll start them at 0 here. Okay, because they're kind of a light pinkish color. The bear is going to be brown, so I'm going to put that one here, about 5. And let's see, here's the bear pants. We'll put that at 8. See how tiny that is? That's going to be less than an inch. And the boy pants we can fit here at 10. And the girl, let's go. Make sure we have lots of room here. Okay, so now the clouds, I'll put them down here. Okay, now everything else is black. Okay, so we'll start it, let's say, at the 6-inch mark. Okay, so what you need to do then is make sure that you have your vinyl color pieces lined up with where you have it here on this screen. So we're going to hit continue. And we are using matte vinyl today. And I'm going to leave it on default. And it's ready to cut. So here's the Cricut mat. You can see that I have placed all the colors corresponding to where I placed them on the mat. It's ready to cut. You hit the flashing button to load the mat. And now hit the flashing button and it's going to cut. Okay, it's finished cutting. You press the flashing light to unload the mat. Now we need to read the designs. We take the vinyl off of the mat. And we take away the excess that we don't need. So I'm just going to do a couple on camera. I'll do the rest off camera to save some time. Just pick up the corner. So I'll do the rest off camera and then I'll come back. So I finished reading all the designs and I put 2 of the ones together for the layers, and I'm going to do the 3rd one on camera so you can see the process in order to do the layers. So I have my little bear. This is going to be the base one, but it's going to be done last because we want everything on top of this color. So the first thing I'm going to do is put the black outline onto a piece of transfer tape. Remove the backing. I'm doing this on my Cricut mat, so these little pieces will stick and won't run away on me. So now I have the little diaper. It's going to go right here, so I'm just going to place the black portion over that area. And remove the backing. And now we have the cloud. Okay, and now we want to put this whole thing on top of this base layer. And remove the backing. Okay, so now you can see all the colors. Now they're ready to put on to the object you're putting them on. So the first thing I want to do is give each of these a little clean with some acetone. Okay, the little bear is going to go on the yellow moon. So you just position it. And a quote. Okay, and the blue one is for the little boy. girl. For some reason, that little piece of the cloud wants to stick to me instead. My goodness. There. And because her little bow has to go on top, that'll be the last piece for this. Now I omitted the black outline for the bow because it was just too tiny and the lines too thin to read. A little wrinkle there. And for the white one, I'm going to say dream big. hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, I ask that you please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Until next time, bye.